Happy Friday, everybody. I just wanted to go over what next week is going to bring for the students. So today we are finishing up Chapter 8, Section 5, Part 1. In years past, I've always done Section 5 in one day. However, I thought it would be beneficial this year if we took our time on 8-5, as it's kind of a difficult lesson for students. But as I progressed through a couple of my classes, working with them, there's been a lot of success and I think a lot of questions answered in those Zoom meetings. So that's been fantastic. Something to remind your students about is if they are unable to attend the live Zoom meetings, which hopefully they are coming unless absolutely they cannot, or they were designated as an asynchronous students and they have been successful that way, is that I do have these daily recorded Zoom meetings from class. These are very important as I go through questions, maybe from the notes or different items that might need to be addressed or come up that kids have as they went through the notes. Some kids take notes, they flag a question, we're able to answer it and go over some review as well. And then maybe work on a couple of problems in the homework. So going into next week, December 7th, Monday, we are going to do that second part of section 5, which I was talking about. And that night, they're going to, instead of doing notes that night, they're going to start a review. We are doing a review in place of the quiz in chapter 8. So that will happen on Tuesday. They'll have to complete that and submit it. On Tuesday night, they need to do their 8-6 part 1 notes. We're finally able to solve these type of rational expressions. On Wednesday, during the Zoom meetings, work on practice problems together, and they'll submit those by midnight on Wednesday. Wednesday night, their homework will be to do the word problem notes that are associated with Section 6. I divvied that up into 2 days, one day just for the math portion, another day for the application word problems, so that on Thursday during the live Zoom, we can work together on applying those word problems together and kind of ironing out any difficulties that they came across. Now, Thursday night, I have not decided exactly what I'm going to do on Friday. I believe it's going to be a day of something called restricted values. That would again be adding another day into the curriculum. However, I think it would be good if I designated that half day on Friday for those restricted values just to explain them. Friday is also progress report day. Progress reports, I do believe, will be pushed out on Sapphire. And other than that, I think that's all I have. I hope you guys are staying safe and healthy, and please let me know if you have any questions.